am wondering how to make it known to you. People always say, I am sometimes being blamed by people. What? People find fault with me and they always scold me. What does it mean? If they find fault with me, there can be only two positions. You have faults, so let them find. If there are faults, the color of your skin, will they not know? Huh? So if in your behavior there are faults, will they not know? And if they tell you have faulty behavior, is there any wrong? So if it is right, you examine what they say. Is it right? You accept and be grateful to them. Invite them for a cup of tea because you have told me my defects. Or if you find that faults are not there, their words are wrong, who is the wrongdoer? You are or they are? If they are the wrongdoer, let them suffer. Why should you suffer? They speak ill of me, but I have no such ill at all. So who is the ill-doer here? You or he? Let him suffer. Why should you contract his blaming cancer? Why should you contract it? So be confident, be confident. Now such a mind can be easily trained. So we have some propositions. By blaming me, even if one person is able to find some comfort and delight, how beautiful it is. It's a great blessing for me, for which I have made any effort. I have not made any effort. So without making any effort, simply by giving opportunity for the others to blame me, they are being happy. What are you trying to do in your family? Purchase this, purchase that, arrange this facility with all these things. You will find your wife herself murmurs first. So we are trying to please the children, please the married partner, please the father, mother, friends and the others. And ultimately, most of the times they are unhappy. So by making effort, others are not smiling and expressing happiness. Here, without making any effort, somebody is happy by blaming me. So, it's a very comfortable position for me. Can you all say we are happy, happy, happy? I can give to anybody, I have got a lot of it. Nobody is able to say. That being the case of the world, a single individual is going to be happy by blaming me or ridiculing me or criticizing me or adversely commenting upon me. I wish he comes and blames me in my friend so that I can see his joy, at least feel a little joy about it. Can you not think in this manner? Huh? No. You have no mind. This is also a set of thoughts, a kind of a response. A subjective, philosophical, heroic, beautiful response, a stoic response to a situation. So if you treat your mind very well, suppose you don't have any defect and others are speaking unnecessarily about it, then you must be confident. This is how you have to ascend in the path of the glorious mind.